You open your eyes between stone walls, cold, dark, and silent. But silence never lasts long, because you're a gladiator. Today might be the day you fight. You begin your day in sweat, training on sand, wielding heavy weapons. Your trainer shouts, your fellow fighters fall, but you go on. In the arena, to stop is to die. At mealtime, words fade. Boiled beans and bread on the table. Only the strong survive. While chewing in silence, eyes drift toward the arena. You wear your armor, rub oil on your skin, choose your weapon. Your heart races. This might be your last fight. Once the gates open, you're on your own. Screams, blood, and sand. Every step is a choice. Every strike means death or glory. As the crowd cheers, you dance with death. You're wounded but standing. You survived the arena. For today, tomorrow, the same battle, the same fate awaits you.